Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do. I bought some tools. I got them in the mail. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we have a box that we need to open. Grab a box cutter. So I bought these tools from a buddy of mine. You guys might know what these are if you follow me on YouTube. As a YouTube buddy of mine. Box isn't too badly damaged. I thought it would be worse. It's not. Right. So we might have to move the camera. Maybe I drop this down a little bit. There's no way to open this on the toolbox, so. He did say that he stuffed it with a bunch of wood, or cardboard. Oh, so the damaged side of the box actually hit the cardboard. Oh, he did put the box inside of another box. Alright. First tool out of the box is Milwaukee Deep Cut Variable Speed Bandsaw, part number 2729-20. Oh, so this must have been the box that was falling apart or something. Okay. Next item out of the box is a 4.5 inch to 6 inch braking grinder kit, paddle switch, no lock. It is a 2980-21. Comes with a charger and one battery. Last item in the box is a 1-key kit, which is the M18 fuel tool, 2-tool combo kit with 1 key. It is item number 2996-22. Comes with the 1 key Gen 3 fuel Milwaukee hammer drill and the Gen 3 fuel impact driver. Comes with 2 XC 5.0 batteries, an M18 and M12 charger, and the carrying case. Okay. Move the tripod over here. this out the way. Put this off the tripod. So this is everything that I picked up. I want to thank Jonathan for sending me these tools. I will do an unboxing on these tools in separate videos. That way these videos don't end up like 30-40 minutes long. I'll probably do just an individual unboxing of each in their own video, so that way it's easier. But so the one key kit comes in the pack out box, or it's not a pack out box, I don't think it is. No, it's just a regular case, it's not a pack out box. Deep cut variable bandsaw, and then we have the grinder. I will leave the information for all of these tools in this video. Grinder is part number 2980-21. The bandsaw, it's a bare tool, no battery. I don't even know if it comes in a case, probably not. It is 2729-20. And the one key kit is 2996-22. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.